In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drag and drop interaction on Figma. We'll build a clean, intuitive drag interaction that looks and feels smooth, and I'll walk you through how to make the object snap back if it's not dropped where you want it. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the element you want to make draggable. It can be any shape, card, or icon. To keep things organized, it helps to give layers clear names so Smart Animate can match them later. Now create a new frame that contains your starting layout. This will be your first state, often called frame 1. Place your draggable object where you want it to begin. With that set up, duplicate the entire frame to create frame 2. In this second frame, move the same object to its intended drop location, or reorder it within a list. If that's the behavior you want to simulate, make sure the object has the same layer name across both frames so the animation maps correctly. Next, switch to the Prototype tab. In frame 1, select the object you plan to drag. You'll see a small circular node appear. That's the connection handle. Drag that connection from the object in frame 1 over to frame 2. In the interaction panel that opens, change the trigger to on drag. This tells Figma that the movement should follow your pointer, rather than waiting for a tap or click. For the action, choose Smart Animate to keep the motion fluid and natural. Smart Animate looks for matching layers and animates their position, size, and other properties between frames. Which is why consistent naming is important. You can tweak duration and easing to taste. A short, gentle ease usually feels realistic for drag interactions. To handle incorrect drops, set up a return path. Still in the Prototype tab, select the same object in frame 2 and create another connection back to frame 1. You can use on drag again to let the object slide back as the user moves. Or choose after delay if you prefer it to snap back automatically a moment after the drag ends. This creates a clear, forgiving experience. Correct drags advance to the dropped position and anything else reverts to the start. Preview your prototype to test the movement. If the object jumps or looks off, double-check that the object's layer names match and that both frames contain the same elements in the same structure. That's it. Thanks for watching.